Let's do the Angry Bird show. Let's see here. Let's just open this thing. Come on. Eli, help me with this.
Wait, let's put it down for 1 second. Keep them.
Oh, gosh.
Keep it like this.
Poop! Okay. Okay.
Make more than one tower. Here's another tower.
Oh, let's play Lego tennis. Let's play Lego tennis. So wait, you have to you actually have to put the iPhone down, and then you have to get one of these, Eli.
No, I'll hold it while I do it. Yeah, and then what?
Okay.
Can't do it. Here, let's do it on the ground, like ping pong. Like ping pong.
Okay.
You just hit it back.
1 out of 0.
Mountain flying.
Okay, 2 out of 0. I'll get another one. Okay, come on, Zoe. Okay, this could work for the net.
Oops. Oops. This will be the new thing to hit. Alright.
No.
Don't hit it too hard, though.
No, not that.